Standing out from the roster of quadcopters on the market, the Parrot Disco is a fixed-wing marvel that's immensely fun to fly. What distinguishes it from other high-end drones is the immersive smartphone-driven VR headset, which streams live videos direct to your eyes from its nose-mounted camera, providing the ultimate first-person flying experience. The Parrot Disco is easily launched. Simply switch on, throw it into the air, and watch it circle in autopilot above you, obediently awaiting your instruction. And once you get going, it really delivers. It's responsive, it records flights in impressive 1080p resolution, and the VR display keeps you handily informed of your speed, altitude, and remaining battery. This is topped off with an above-average flight time of 45 minutes, an extensive control range of 1.24 miles, and a maximum speed of 50 miles per hour. Despite the minor shortcoming that, owing to its plane-like gliding descent, you need a wide, open space to land it, the Parrot Disco offers an unconventional yet thrilling drone experience.